The Mercedes-Benz A-Class, W177, V177, A200. From 2018 onwards, uses the 1.33-liter turbocharged petrol engine with the code M282.914, co-developed with Renault, H5HT. It produces 120 kilowatts, 163 horsepower, and 250 newton-meters, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7/8-speed dual-clutch automatic, DCT. The M282 is a compact, efficient engine featuring direct injection and, in some variants, cylinder deactivation. Reliability is generally good, but correct maintenance is essential. Mercedes recommends servicing every 12 months or 25,000 kilometers, though many owners prefer shorter intervals. The engine takes about 5.0 liters of oil, requiring low-ash full synthetic meeting MB 229.52 or MB 229.71, often 5W30 or 0W20. Common issues include occasional fuel injector problems and rare wastegate actuator faults, but overall the engine is considered smooth, responsive, and reliable when maintained with high-quality oil and timely servicing.